Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. WhatsApp is a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but it's also a great way to lose important memories if you don't back up your messages. If you lose your phone, or if something happens to your WhatsApp account, all of your chats will be gone. That's why it's important to back up your chats regularly. There are two ways to back up your WhatsApp chats: to Google Drive on Android and to iCloud Drive on iPhone. To do this, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile app. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, from the menu that appears, select the Options Settings. This will open the WhatsApp Settings menu. Now, find the chats and tap on that for further proceed. After that, scroll down and tap the Chat Backup. Now, to back up your WhatsApp chat, tap on the Backup button. If you are using an Android phone, under Backup to Google Drive, select a backup frequency. You can choose to back up your chats daily, weekly, monthly, or never. And if you are using an iPhone, Backup to iCloud Drive is available. Tap on Backup now under that. This is how you can back up your WhatsApp chat. Now, it will automatically back up your conversation on your Google Drive or iCloud according to the duration you set. You can also manually back up or save your chat history by visiting the WhatsApp chat backup screen and clicking the Backup button. This is exactly how you can back up your WhatsApp messages. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.